How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard auto spacing on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in quick settings, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Then in here, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, tap on more typing options and then tap on auto spacing. In here, tap on the language, tap on the keyboard language toggle button to turn off or switch on auto spacing for that keyboard language. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.